Hello students, exercise 1.1 question number 6 now. Here we have to find the value of that given term here. So I will consider that given term that it is a 3 plus 2 upon I there. Then next I to the power 6 minus I to the power 7. Then next into it is a 1 plus I to the power 11 there. Now we simplify that. It is equals to then first of all 3 as it is plus 2 as it is, and we know that here 1 upon I that may be written as it is equals to minus I there. Okay, so 1 upon I in that will be is equals to here as a minus I there. So 2 into minus I it will be, and then next that it is I to the power 6 that will be is equals to I square and to the power 2 3 there, minus that it is I to the power 7 that I will express this one as a I square to the power 3 and then into I. So complete term that will be is equals to I to the power 7 into now that it is 1 as it is there, and then plus I to the power 11 that it is I square to the power 5 and then into I. So it will be I to the power 10 plus 1 that it is 11 there. Now next it is equals to that, then here we get that in a first bracket that it is 3 minus 2I there. Then next in a second bracket here we get that I square to the power I square that will be is equals to minus 1 and minus 1 cube will be there, minus in that bracket here it is minus 1 to the power 3 and then next again into I there. Then next into it is a 1 as it is plus I square again minus 1 to the power 5 and then into I. So for that here we get it is equals to then 3 minus 2I as it is in that bracket minus 1 whole cube that it is equals to minus 1. Now I cube minus 1 cube it is equals to minus 1 into I that it is minus I, and minus I minus of minus I that will be is equals to plus I there. Then next into in a next bracket 1 as it is, then next I to the power 5 that it is equals to minus 1 and minus 1 into I that it is equals to minus I there. Now here we get that it is equals to then for that first one bracket again as it is 3 minus 2I there, multiplication of that two bracket. First of all here minus 1 into 1 that will be is equals to minus 1. Then next minus 1 into minus I that it is equals to plus I. Then plus I into that one that is equals to plus I, and I into minus I that it is equals to minus I square there. So again here we simplify that term that it is equals to 3 minus 2I as it is. In that bracket here we get that minus 1 as it is that will be as a 2I plus I 2I there, and I square is equals to minus 1, so that's why it will be is equals to plus 1 there. So in this way here we get that 3 minus 2I and then minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled there, that it is as a 2I. So we'll multiply by that 2I in that bracket that will be is equals to 3 into 2I that will be is equals to 6I, and then next that it is a minus sign will be as it is, and 2I into 2I that will be is equals to 4I square there. Then it is equals to that then 6I as it is, and then next minus 4 again I square is equals to minus 1, so that's why it will be is equals to plus 4. So here we get that 4 plus 6I that it is the value of the given term, that it is the question number 6. Now next the question number 7. Question number 7 it is that evaluate the following, the simple one that it is equals to. here I to the power 30 plus I to the power 40 plus I to the power 50 plus I to the power 60 there. I will just express all that term in a form of I square there, so that will be is equals to 30 as a I square to the power 15, then plus I to the power 15 will be I square to the power 20 there, then next plus I to the power 50, that means I square to the power 25 there, and next plus I to the power 60, that it is I square to the power 30 there. Again we know that I square to the power, it is a odd number, then next it will be is equals to minus 1, and again I square and to the power even number, that will be is equals to plus 1 there. So for that here we get I to the power I square to the power 15, that will be is equals to minus 1, then plus I square to the power 20, that will be is equals to plus 1, then next plus I square to the power 25, that will be is equals to minus 1, plus I square to the power 30, that will be is equals to plus 1 there. So in this way here we get that minus 1 plus 1, again minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, the answer will be is equals to 0. So in this way here we have to simplify that. Now next, the question number 15. The question number 15 we have to prove that the term 1 plus I to the power 4 into 1 plus 1 upon I to the power 4 is equals to 16 there. So for that case here I consider the LHS side of that expression, that it is 1 plus I and to the power 4 into, that will be 1 plus 1 upon I to the power 4 there. Again we know that 1 upon I, that will be expressed as a minus I there. So that's why here I will write down the term, that it is 1 plus I to the power 4 into, that it is 1, that 1 upon I as a 1 minus I to the power 4 there. Now I will combine the power. So for that here I will write down that 1 plus I into 1 minus I and to the power 4 there. Now again by using here as a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square there. So for that first of all it will be 1 square, then next one that it is as a I square and to the power 4 as it is. So we get that it is equals to 1 square as a 1 minus I square as a minus 1 and minus minus plus 1 it will be. So for that here we get again to the power 4 there. So it will be is equals to that 2 to the power 4. That means it is equals to 16 and it is equals to the RHS side there. So in this way here we have to simplify the given term.